Welcome to this tutorial on regular expressions in JavaScript. In this video, we will explore the match method, a powerful tool for extracting matches from strings based on defined patterns. Get ready to master pattern matching with the match method. Here's a look at the basic syntax of the match method in JavaScript. The simplest form is string.match, followed by the regular expression you want to find. You can define the regular expression in two ways. First, directly within forward slashes, like /pattern/flags. Second, using the Regex constructor, with the pattern and flags as string arguments. Understanding these structures is crucial for effectively using the match method. Let's see a simple example of how to use the match method. We declare a constant variable named text, and assign the value hello world to it. Next, we declare another constant variable named result, and assign to it the result of the match method that is called with text. The match method takes the string world as a regular expression. The output of this operation is an array containing the match string, world. Now let's explore how to find all matches in a string using the global flag. We start with the text cat bat rat. Then we use the match method with the regular expression, at, followed by the global flag g. The dot symbol matches any character except new line. Since we have the global flag set, the match method returns an array containing all occurrences that match the pattern, which in this case are cat, bat, and rat. It's important to understand the return values of the match method. When a match is found, the method returns an array containing the match text. However, if no match is found, the method returns null. Knowing these return values is essential for handling the results of the match method correctly in your code. Capture groups allow you to extract specific parts of the match text. Here's how they work. We have a string email, john@example.com. We use the match method with a regular expression that includes capture groups, \w plus at \w plus dot \w plus. The parentheses define the capture groups. The output is an array. The first element of the array is the full match, which is john@example.com. The second element is the content of the first capture group, which is John. The third element is the content of the second capture group, which is example.com. To perform case-insensitive matching, use the I flag. Consider the text JavaScript is awesome. When we use the match method with the regular expression, /JavaScript/I, the I flag makes the match case-insensitive. So even though JavaScript is in lowercase in the regular expression, it matches JavaScript in the text. The output is an array containing JavaScript. Here's a practical use case: extracting phone numbers from a string. Given the text call us 123-456-7890 or 987-654-3210, we can use the match method with the regular expression \D3\D3\D4, along with the global flag g, to find all phone numbers in the format 3 digits -3 digits -4 digits. The result is an array containing 123-456-7890 and 987-654-3210. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.